The festive season just around the corner. I wanted to share a quick and easy homemade face mask that's been used for generations before wedding to get that beautiful golden glow and remove all the dirt from your skin. It's made with just three ingredients: besan, mustard oil, and turmeric. Apply this mask for 3 days to get the best result. Just 10 to 15 minutes each day before washing it off. Perfect for all the festival days ahead. I'll be applying this mask for 3 days. After applying the mask on day 1, you can see my skin looks brighter and cleaner already. Just to note, I didn't use any filter in these videos. I shoot everything with my phone, so the lighting may vary slightly, but the results are 100% natural. Now on day 2, I applied the mask again and here's the result. Skin feels even smoother and the glow is getting better. Day 3 of the mask application and the glow is real. My skin feels soft, radiant and festive ready. Here's a side by side comparison of my skin over 3 days, before and after.